Hey guys, a lot of my one-on-ones have been asking me what type of iPad I am using and why. I wanted to show you guys exactly the information that is going to help you determine what iPad you should get. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here with you guys. So right now there's a special going on, and by the time you watch this video, this special is probably not going to be valid anymore, but I still want to show you this. So this is a 3-day sale that's going on with the iPad Air 5th generation. Regular price $599. If we come over to Amazon, they are reflecting the same price as Best Buy at $499. As you guys can see, this iPad Air 5th generation has a total of 5 stars, 4.8 to be exact. I'm coming over to the Apple specifications right here. So the iPad Air, guys, one thing I want you guys to know is that it does have an M1 processor, which allows your videos and pictures to be right here, Apple M1 chip, uh, process a lot faster. And most importantly, the front-facing camera is a 12 megapixel camera, which is pretty great. Now, there is also an iPad 10th generation. This is your standard iPad. However, the camera is on the side of the iPad and not on the very top middle of the iPad. And also, just worth noting, it doesn't have the M1 chip. So definitely would be worth investing on the iPad Air 5th generation right now, going on for $499. And as you guys can see, the price is going to be ending. Right here says deal ends tomorrow. So I wanted to make this quick video with you guys because I know a lot of you guys that started off with a 360 booth will eventually end up getting a digital photo booth to expand your product line, and not just that, but bring in more revenue on a monthly basis. And this is what I've been doing. So I just wanted to share this valuable information with you guys. I hope this information helps. I'm going to go ahead and put the link below so that you guys can get your iPad Air 5th generation. Before I end this video, I want to remind you guys that when you guys go buy any electronics on Amazon, I want you guys to do this. For example, here, I'm going to click here on the iPad Air 5th generation. Okay. And then right here on the right side, make sure you guys get the protection plan. Okay. If something happens to your iPad, you're protected. It's totally worth paying $70 to have a 2-year warranty in case something happens to your iPad. Because remember, you're an operating business, which means that it's essential for you to always have a backup plan for your electronics. And this right here is totally worth it. So $499 plus taxes plus the $70. It's like that discount you're getting, you're actually spending it on insurance. So that's what I recommend you guys do if you're considering on getting a digital booth. And as far as the iPad, it's 10.9 inches, rounded off to about 11 inches. I hope this video helped. Take care, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.